Welcome back to another episode of vidIQ Shorts. 60 seconds, one topic, let's go. When will my channel be monetized? The saga has been going on throughout 2018. First they introduced new rules, then they said it would take several weeks, then it would take until the end of April, then it would take until the end of June, yet channels are still waiting. But we have a new update, and it actually comes from a human being who works at YouTube. Tom on the Creator Insider YouTube channel has a lot to say about the issue, but these are the most important words.
By the end of June, if a channel had been waiting 30 days or more, they will be reviewed by the team.
So, just to repeat for dramatic effect, YouTube say by the end of June, if the channel has been waiting 30 days or more, they will be reviewed by the team. The result of that review will either be acceptance into the partner program, rejection, or further review, which YouTube say they need to analyze more data from your channel. So it's over to you folks. Do you think YouTube will meet this self-made target? Let us know your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.